party time. It's party time. Why are we so excited? Oh my gosh. We're excited because we want to show you and announce our brand new search website, Search Homes in Houston, TX, HoustonTexas.com. Oh my gosh, we're so excited about it. We're expanding our company. We're bringing on staff. It's a great time. We wanted to share this with everyone, and we wanted to thank you for your support that has led to our expansion and our success. Our new website has lots of places for you to go. If you're buyers and you want to have a mortgage calculator, learn about pre-approval, first-time buyers. If you're selling a home, pricing your home, marketing your home, you can learn about our 16 key marketing systems that we use to get your home sold quick for the top dollar. And we're also on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. Your referrals and your business help us do that. So we're excited today to announce to you our brand new website. Go check it out at www.searchhomesinhouston.tx.com. Go there, check it out. You can read our blog, read about everything that we're doing, all the stuff that's going on, some very exciting things for the company. Continue to watch us. We're here to help you. If you have any questions, if you or someone you know is thinking about buying or selling real estate, please reach out to us. We'd love to give you a hand. Any advice, any opinions that we can share with you would be great. So check out the new website. It's there for you. Go in and register. You can search homes, click around, and read about what's going on with the company and things we're doing with the community. So we want to thank everybody for watching today, and we're going to be talking to all of y'all real soon. Thanks.